Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about our next topic of the module perception, which is perceptual set. Perceptual set is very simple concept, which is our tendency to perceive objects or situations from a particular frame of reference. Whenever you hear a particular thing, whenever you want to see a person, you have a particular frame of reference about the concept. That means perceptual set. So we can say which is a predisposition to perceive things in a certain way. Definitely it is a cognitive process. And this cognitive process put into a kind of state of readiness, which is psychologists refer to as set. How does the perceptual set happen? Whenever we perceive an object or situation, we have a tendency to make a particular frame of reference about the particular objects or situation. Imagine you are going to join in a new college. Before joining the college, you have certain frame of references about the classes in the college, the teachers, and about the campus where you are going to join, where you are going to study. And that is, you have a certain frame of reference about the particular college, and this frame of reference is known as the perceptual set. And another thing you have to remember is how does your emotional state and the culture you are living, and what are your expectation about the courses, about the study, about the college. All these things definitely influence your frame of reference. It has been found that a number of variables or factors influence perceptual set, and set in turn influence perception. The factors include expectations, emotion, motivation, culture, etc. We can consider another example. That is, if you are driving a car, you have a perceptual set to identify anything on the road or anything in the car which might affect your safety. And what is your emotional state at that time? And how does you motivate to drive the car? And what is your expectation about the journey? All these things definitely influence your perceptual set. Let us consider another definition of perceptual set, which is given by American Psychological Association, which is a temporary readiness to perceive certain objects or events rather than others. That is perceptual set. And another point we have to add is the prefrontal cortex of brain has a major role in determining the perceptual set. Let us conclude. Today we have discussed a very simple topic, that is perceptual set, which is the tendency to perceive objects or situations from a particular frame of reference. And now we know that definitely different factors influence perceptual set and perception also. And the researchers concluded that the prefrontal cortex has a major role in determining the perceptual set. Let us stop here. Hope you got all the points what I have discussed here. If you have any doubts about this topic, please don't forget to put it as your comments. If you like my channel, please give me a like, and don't forget to share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.